This is a vintage Poulan 2050 chainsaw. It's got a 14-inch bar. The chain is in great shape but needs sharpening. This saw also has brand new primer bulb, brand new fuel line, brand new air filter, spark plug. Guys, this one is ready to go. A great running saw, starts easy, idles correctly, has no issues, and is ready to go. Click on the link below for pictures and details or to buy this saw right now at an amazingly low price. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll have this on your doorstep faster than you can say
Chainsaw.
chainsaw.
Chainsaw. Vintage chainsaw.
Vintage chainsaw?
Vintage chainsaw.
Woo!